If you are looking for the best web hosting with a free domain name in 2026, you are in the right place. Buying hosting and a domain separately can increase your starting cost. So these 5 hosting providers offer eligible plans that includes a free domain name for the first year. So that means you are going to save almost $15 on your first year domain name charge. So let's get started. At number 5, we have ionos.com. It is a good low-cost hosting provider for beginners, small business websites. Its hosting plans include a free domain name for the first year, SSL certificate, professional email, daily backups, unmetered traffic, and one-click application installation. However, always check its renewal pricing before purchasing. At number 4, we have SiteGround.com. It is known for its performance, security, and helpful customer support. Its hosting plans currently include a free .com, .org, or .net domain for the first year, along with free SSL certificate, CDN, email, daily backups, and website migration. The main drawback is its comparatively higher renewal pricing. At number 3, we have DreamHost.com. With DreamHost, you will also get a free domain name for the first year, NVMe storage, unmetered bandwidth, daily automated backups, free SSL certificates, and a website builder. It's a suitable choice for blogs, WordPress websites, users planning to host multiple small websites. At number 2, we have Bluehost.com. Now, Bluehost is one of my favorite web hosting provider when I always talk about beginners, because it is one of the easiest options for beginner to create a WordPress website. Eligible plans include free domain name for the first year, free SSL certificate, CDN, WordPress installation, and updates, AI website tools, backup, 24/7 support with a phone support as well. And the best thing is they are offering a very cheap price, $1.99 per month, and that price will be activated if you click the promotional link from the video description. Okay, so if you directly go to Bluehost, you will not get this price. You have to check our website besthostingcoupons.com or check the video description link and click that link, then only that price will be activated. And in this list of 5 best web hosting with free domain name, we have Hostinger in number 1 place. Now, Hostinger offers free domain name for the first year, again free SSL certificate, email, backups, WordPress tools, a drag and drop website builder, 24/7 support. It is particularly suitable for beginners, bloggers, affiliate marketers, and small business looking for affordable hosting. If you buy Hostinger for, let's say, 4 years plan, you will be able to save a massive amount of money. We have shared a dedicated coupon code with which you will get some additional discount. So make sure to check the video description or visit our website besthostingcoupons.com for regular web hosting related deals and coupon codes. So at last, just remember, the domain is generally free for the first year and renews at provider's regular rate afterward. That means after completion of the first year, you have to pay the actual domain charge with the web hosting renewal cost. So that's all in this video. If you find this video useful, feel free to like and share this video. If you are new to our channel, subscribe to this channel, and make sure to keep visiting our website besthostingcoupons.com for all upcoming web hosting deals and coupon codes, so that you can save huge amount of money. Thank you for watching.